Welcome to Airdrop Guild. Today we're exploring Farcaster, one of the most exciting and promising decentralized social protocols on Ethereum, built specifically on the Optimism Layer 2 network. Created by former Coinbase engineers, Farcaster is designed to fix what's broken in traditional social media: centralization, censorship, lack of user ownership, and data abuse. Instead of being a platform, Farcaster is a protocol. Anyone can build social apps on top of it, just like developers build apps for Android or iOS. This makes it transparent, interoperable, and user-owned by design. The main app of the protocol is called Farcast, formerly Warpcast, and it looks like a decentralized version of Twitter. But Farcaster supports way more than just social posts. It enables smart interactions like in-app games, DeFi apps, and even e-commerce via its feature called Frames. It's censorship-resistant, privacy-first, and has the backing of big names like Vitalik Buterin. If you're betting on the future of SocialFi, this is one to watch. Farcaster uses a hybrid architecture. On-chain components like account creation and ID verification are stored on Optimism for transparency and security. Off-chain data like posts, media, and likes are stored on decentralized storage such as IPFS, which keeps the system scalable and fast. Each user creates a cryptographic ID tied to their Ethereum wallet. No passwords or centralized servers. Every action is signed and verified, ensuring authenticity and ownership. Apps connect to decentralized hubs, which act like nodes that propagate and sync data across the network. Creating a Farcaster account. To begin, you'll need to download the Farcaster app. I'll leave the official link in the description. The app is available for Android and iOS, and the full account creation must be done on mobile. Click Download App, and later we'll come back to claim invite. Once the app is installed, open it and start the registration process. Enter your email address. Verify your email. Then you'll need to pay a small registration fee. After that, you can create your username at your name and start customizing your profile. You'll be asked to optionally create a passkey. This acts like your crypto key for account recovery. Store it securely offline. Then complete your profile with a profile picture and bio, and you're in. Now go back to the main page and click on Claim Invite to receive a 20% discount on trading fees. And that's it. Your Farcaster account is now live. Now that your account is set up, you can also log in via your desktop browser. Farcaster works a lot like Twitter. You can follow users, post content, like, reply, and recast, which is like retweeting. But remember, the most valuable users are authentic. Don't spam GM and GN posts. Real content and real interactions will likely be rewarded in the long term. Next, connect your EVM and SVM wallets inside your profile. Go to Settings, verify address, then connect and verify your wallets. On the mobile app, you'll find more verification options. Verify your Twitter account. Verify your GitHub account or phone number. Link your Discord account. And very important, verify wallet funds by depositing $25 in assets like ETH, USDC, or SOL. This last step is crucial. Even though you won't spend this amount, it will mark your wallet as active, similar to past airdrops like Starknet, where inactive wallets were excluded. For safety and stability, consider holding that $25 in USDC to avoid price volatility. Farcaster supports a growing ecosystem of mini-apps. Interactive experiences like games, DeFi tools, quizzes, and more. Let me show you my favorite, Farville. A fun farming simulator with quests, guilds, and a ranking system where top players can win real rewards. You can also build your own mini-app using the official Farcaster developer docs. In fact, I created one called Farflag, a quiz game, and I built the entire thing using AI without writing any code manually. Even if you're not a developer, you can build something cool. Farcaster is one of the most promising social fi projects in crypto. It's already getting serious attention from names like Vitalik, and it has a close relationship with the Base network. There's no confirmed airdrop yet, but all signs point to something big coming, especially for users who are truly engaging with the ecosystem. So get in early, stay consistent, and become a real participant. And don't forget, all official links are in the description. Drop a like if this helped. Subscribe to Airdrop Guild for more alpha. See you next time. Stay sharp and farm smart.